Hello everyone, and welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a payroll for an employee in the Fresa Global Application. To begin, log into the Fresa Global Application. Once you have successfully logged in, you will land on the homepage dashboard. Next, navigate to the menu page. Click on it to open the full menu view. In the search bar, type Payroll and click on the search option. From the results displayed, select Payroll. This will take you to the Payroll list page. On this page, click the Submit button to view the recently created payroll records. Now click on the Create button located at the top right corner. The Payroll Edit screen will appear. Enter all the required details such as the employee name, salary date, number of working days, and salary amount. Once you've filled in the details, click Save. After saving, the Payroll Details tab will become available. Go to this tab and click on Add to include the necessary payroll entries. Enter details like description, account name, and amount, then click Save. You will be redirected back to the Payroll Edit page. Review all the entered details carefully, and once everything is correct, click Save and Close. And that's it. This is how you can create a payroll for an employee in the Fresa Global Application.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.